Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be replacing the tailgate handle assembly on this Ford F-150. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to want to do is drop the tailgate. All right, with this top-down view, we're going to have 8 bolts that hold in this plastic piece and also a metal piece underneath. So there's 2, 4, 6, and 8. And we're going to be using this torque 25, and we're just going to go ahead and remove all 8 of these. Now with all 8 bolts out, we can just go ahead and lift up the plastic piece and set this off to the side. Now under that plastic piece is also this metal piece right here. You're just going to go ahead and lift up on it, and we'll just go ahead and set this off to the side as well. So this is the back side of the handle assembly, and the only thing we're going to want to focus on in here is this one green clip here. This green clip is the lever actuator that's hooked up to the handle assembly. So when you pull up on it, it activates it, and then it pulls both of those apart so that way you can open the tailgate. So we're just going to take our needle nose pliers here, and then we'll push in on this green clip, and then push down on it to release it, and we'll just set that off to the side. And then next we're going to deal with 2 bolts down in here. Now if you have the tailgate step built in, you're just going to want to push this button right here, and it will slide out, and maneuver it down. If you don't have the stand, you just have to access these 2 bolts from these 2 holes right here. So these are the 2, actually they're nuts, and we're going to want to remove those with our 10mm here. So taking our 10mm, put it down in here, and loosen those 2 nuts. Now with those 2 nuts out, we can go ahead and raise up our tailgate. And then on the handle here, we're trying to just pull out from the top, kind of get in behind here, and then pull out on the bottom and actually pull up. It's going to release it from there, and then you're going to have 1 and 2 electrical harnesses to remove. So just to remove these 2 harnesses, you can just go ahead and push down these 2 clips, and it will remove from these electrical components, and then this will come out fully. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall this now. And the way that you reinstall it is these 2 clips right here on the bottom. You're going to want to install these first. So these clips slide in to the groove of the tailgate. Make sure that the lever mechanism here slides down too. So you're just going to want to make sure that they sit down into the grooves. Once you think you got it about there, you're going to want to pull up on this handle, because this piece right here needs to tuck underneath this part of the tailgate. So tuck it in underneath there, then reline up the bottom, make sure they're in the groove, and then let go. Kind of feel around if you got it right. Mine just fell into place right there by just pushing in a little bit, and then that works still. And we can go ahead and let the tailgate back down to work on this. If you did shut your tailgate all the way, you will have to pull the mechanism on the inside to release the side latches, because obviously this is disconnected. So we're going to go ahead and... So you can do one of 2 things. You can either put back in the green clip there, or you can go ahead and push down on the actuator. You can just go ahead and push down right here. That's going to pop it loose, and you can let the tailgate down. So now you can reinstall the 2 nuts. So now with those 2 nuts installed, we can go ahead and take our green clip, reinsert it back in here, make sure it snaps in, and then we can take our tailgate step and slide it back into here. and then we can work on putting back on the metal plate, also with the plastic plate. So now we can go ahead and reinstall the metal plate first by just laying it on there. And then reinstalling the plastic. Then take the 8 screws or bolts and reinstall them. So there you go. That's how you replace the tailgate handle assembly. If this video helped you at all, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other videos. I got a bunch out there on this F-150. But until next time, thanks for watching.